Uganda People's Defence Forces (UPDF) has developed the capacity in the field of engineering and construction of both civil and building works, which is being utilized through National Enterprise Corporation (NEC), the business arm of Ministry of Defence and Veteran Affairs (UPDF). NEC and Kira Motors Corporation (KMC) signed a memorandum of understanding on the 16th of January 2019 for the construction of the Kira vehicle plant facilities at the Jinja Industrial and Business Park. The site was handed over to NEC on the 18th of January 2019 and physical possession was done on the 12th of February 2019. The scope of work covers the following: site clearance, construction of the fence and gates, excavation of a 1.4 kilometer open channel along the site western boundary, site offices and support facilities and services necessary for the execution of the project, construction of the assembly shop, offices, R&D space, material storage areas, overhead water reservoir, container yards, and finished vehicle park yard and plant monument. Construction and installation of servicing the facilities include the plant campus circulation roads, power and water distribution, IT network backbone, drainage and waste, water and solid management systems. Defects liability. The construction period is for 30 calendar months with a defects liability period of 12 months. Since the possession of the site, NEC has been able to accomplish the following: excavation, alignment and dredging of 1,400 meters of main drainage channel to 1.5 depth, 100% done. Hoarding, erection of temporary site structures, site office, store, accommodation for workers, kitchen and sanitation, and signboards to 99% done. Site bush clearance of 100 acres and stripping off black soil to 150 millimeters depth for the site, 100% done. Setting up of survey control points and setting out for the assembly building, 100% done. Stripping of soil up to 500 millimeters depth for the assembly building, 100% done. Excavation for pad footings for bays B, D, and FH assembly building, 100% done. Haulage of gravel for filling into foundations and creation of temporary site access roads, 3,756 cubic meters and 3,032 cubic meters so far used for foundations and roads respectively. Stabilization of foundations for the assembly building with Maram, 90% done. Bar bending and caging for pad footings and starter columns, assembly building, 100% done. Placing and hoisting in place of reinforcement for footings and columns, assembly building, 92% done. Formwork for footings or bases, assembly building, 100% done. Formwork for starter columns, assembly building, 93% done. Casting of starter columns up to 1.2 meters from footing level, assembly building, 92% done. C15 concrete blinding for strip and pad footings, assembly building, 134 cubic meters cast. C30 concrete in strip, pad footings and starter columns, assembly building, 565 cubic meters cast. Concrete spacer blocks 25 millimeters, 6,794 pieces, 30 millimeters, 407 pieces, 40 millimeters, 504 pieces, 50 millimeters, 5,000 pieces. 300 millimeter stone masonry wall, assembly building, 586 square meters built. Backfill of the assembly, setting out of the warehouse, done. Filling the maram in the warehouse and compaction to receive building for concrete bases. Formwork for footings of warehouse, 100% done. While recruiting semi-skilled laborers, Priority is given to the local residents, especially the youth, and with much emphasis on the marginalized groups, i.e., women. NEC currently has a labor force of 165 personnel at the site, which 117 or 71% are from the local area. As far as quality control is concerned, samples of materials used for the works have been mobilized for testing at the Ministry of Works Central Materials Laboratory located at Chireka, and NEC had undertaken a detailed soil and materials investigation. NEC has deployed a joint security detail involving Army and police in and around the site to provide security to personnel and equipment. NEC and UPDF fully understand and appreciate the strategic significance of this project and have the willingness and requisite capacity to execute the project to the satisfaction of the client.